If you zoom into the pulses that we've been discussing, into matter, atoms, into whatever's beneath the atoms, what do you find? Is there a bottom? No, because it's waves all the way down. You can zoom infinitely into space, not because there are infinite particles getting smaller and smaller, but because waves are continuous and infinitely divisible. Each zoom level is just finer resolution of wave interference patterns. Think about zooming into a photograph. Eventually you hit pixels, discrete units, a bottom to the resolution. But waves don't work that way. Zoom into a wave and you find more waves. Interference patterns creating standing waves, creating smaller interference patterns. Forever. This is why quantum mechanics can't find the particle. They keep looking for discrete units, the fundamental building blocks, but there aren't any. What they're calling particles are standing wave patterns. Zoom in on a particle and you find the wave pattern that creates it. Zoom further and you find the waves creating that pattern. No bottom. Just waves interfering at finer and finer scales. Fractals work this way. If you zoom into a fractal pattern, you'll see the same pattern at a smaller scale. Keep zooming, the same pattern, smaller scale, infinitely. Reality is fractal because reality is waves, and waves are infinitely nested interference patterns. So it's like when you zoom into a coastline. If you measure a coastline of a continent, you're going to get a specific measurement. But if you zoom in further, you're measuring in smaller units, you're going to get a larger number for that area around if you measure the coastline around. And if you zoom in even further, you're going to get an even larger number. Every time you zoom in, your measurement is going to be larger and larger. And you can continue to zoom in infinitely. And that's absolutely fascinating. Space is when you zoom in, you're zooming into space. Space isn't out in outer space. Space is everywhere. And in every single portion of this reality, you can zoom in infinitely. We are in an infinite amount of space, but it's all condensed right here because we're all simultaneously in the same place at the same time.